Right off the bat, you'll notice the 900 comes with speakers in the front and a 3-inch viewing screen. Turn to the back to find the camera, which can rotate 45 degrees left to right or up and down. Setup takes only a few minutes by first adding the plate and removing the plastic from the sticker. The power adapter is plenty long and connects at the top of the camera and can easily be hidden in the door frame, under the mat, and around the console. CR900 comes with a rear camera with a 240-degree rotation. Installation is the same as before. After the plastic is removed, placed in the center of the windshield. The cable plugs in next to the power cord and is double the size, allowing more than enough length for a large SUV. Once the car is turned on, the screen illuminates with a view of the front and rear cameras. An SD card is needed to record, which can be inserted on the side above the controls to navigate through the camera's functions. To change any of the settings, press the OK button on the other side. Cross Tour allows you to change resolution, display, select a loop recording time, switch on mirror image, adjust HDR, measuring units, exposure, and turn on motion detection. You can also turn the audio off, add a date stamp, and activate the G sensor, which will automatically record and save footage if ever in a crash. Pressing the up arrow will change the view between the front and back cameras, while the bottom arrow switches off the microphone. The M button on the right side allows different stats to be displayed and playback footage. Cross Tour makes it easy to protect important videos by just pressing the lock button. The screen can also be dimmed while recording for distraction-free driving, and pressing the OK button will manually record. Cross Tour has the ability to add a license number, select a variety of languages, and turn on the fatigue driving feature to be notified once a certain amount of driving has occurred. And if it couldn't get any better, the CR900 is GPS compatible.
If you spend time on the road, you are bound to witness irresponsible driving. And no matter how careful you are, you can always be affected by another driver's bad decisions. To avoid paying for the actions of irresponsible drivers, you need a device which you can always rely on as a personal eyewitness. The Rexing V1 has been that device, proving itself time and time and time again as a necessary addition to vehicles everywhere. Reliable, intuitive, and immensely powerful, the Rexing V1 offers several exceptional qualities which distinguish it as a top-rated dashcam. The discreet design of the incredibly lightweight body features a low-profile form, making it practically invisible to other drivers. The camera records full HD footage with an immensely wide 170-degree field of view, capturing everything with absolute clarity. Using wide dynamic range technology, the V1 can automatically adapt to any light condition, day or night. Rather than use a standard lithium-ion battery, the Rexing V1 camera is powered by a supercapacitor to guarantee you long-term reliability in even the most extreme temperatures. The camera also features a 2.4-inch LCD screen, which you can use to play back your recordings at any time. And sharing your footage has never been easier, thanks to the camera's built-in Wi-Fi. The Rexing app interface allows you to quickly and easily transfer your clips directly to your phone or tablet. Document your driving experiences with a personal eyewitness that's always there when you need it. Highly functional and always reliable, the Rexing V1 offers peace of mind to responsible drivers everywhere.
If you're interested in buying one of this product, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment, and to subscribe. As always, thank you for watching.